What's going on, everybody? Hey, I wanted to do a quick update on the Guardhouse Challenge Box. So I'm getting ready to do my episode number 4. Video 4, each episode I share 5. So, here we got 1 episode and 2 episodes. We've done 3 episodes. So today we're going to look at 4. There'll be a total of 5 episodes to fill this, of course, 25 in this Guardhouse box. So here's the latest pickups. Share with y'all. Of course, this is Silver Struck's challenge to fill a 25 slot guardhouse box. I think he's got a 50. I kind of wish I'd have got a 50 now. This has been very fun. I'm enjoying looking for vintage pieces and just some 1-ounce silver bars I really like. So here's the first one I wanted to share. It's a Mario Villa Milano fine silver 999, 1 ounce. Just has a plain back, kind of a mirrored finish. I like that. So I'll put this one in the box. So it's number 16. And then next up, we got this California Gold Discovery, 125th anniversary. Say 1848 to 1973. Thought that was pretty neat. The prospectors there on the riverbed or the creek bed. I like the rough finish and the smooth in the center on that. It's pretty nice. So here it is, United States Silver Corporation, 1 troy ounce of 999 fine silver. When I got this one, I was kind of disappointed in the coloring. It was just off. It had, I think it was something to do with packaging, but it had dark on one end, and I'll show you in a real quick video. What it looked like before and after. I just gave it a quick little cleaning. I know you're not supposed to clean, especially coins, but my bullion, this was kind of ugly looking, so I cleaned it up with the magic eraser that a lot of people made fun of and said thanks for nothing, but it does work on some non-numismatic pieces that you just want to clean up. Not always, but depending on what's on it, it will clean it. So I got that one. We'll add this one to the box. So that's 17 of 25. Then I really like this one a lot. So we got the APM 999 fine bar and 999 fine silver on this side as well. 1 troy ounce of silver. That one you can see. It's got the bird carrying the American flag, the eagle. So I really like these. I thought that was really neat. It's so shiny, the camera's messing up here. So I'll put that one in the box. Is this one number 18? And then I picked up this high precious metals OPM bar. I did not have any of these. I just wanted one. I wanted to get the mushroom bar, but this one came up, so I went ahead and picked this one up. So there's the back. Like that one. So we'll throw this one in. It's number 19. And then for number 20, this one here, the Argo, what is this? Argo SA Chiasso. This was SA, I think it was Switzerland. 1 troy ounce of silver, 999 fine. Really like that one. I went ahead and grabbed it. And it's just kind of got a plain back on it. I may want to clean that one up, unless it's just fogged up there. That doesn't look too good. All right, sorry about that. My OCD kicked in. So it has a little toning in this corner, which is fine. That doesn't bother me. That back was really distorted, the coloring. So I cleaned it up a little bit. I like that better. I can live with that. So we'll put this one in. Here's number 20. So we got 5 more to go, just 5 more, and this guardhouse box will be complete. And these are just nice, easy way to stack, but I want to show you one more thing. All right, this first bar that I showed you, we put in the box is number 16, this Mario Villa Milano. This one was a little tricky. Okay, this one was kind of like these batch bars where it doesn't really want to fit. So you can see this one was modified, it was longer. So we melted the backside and I took that ridge out. This one was similar to that. This one was not quite as long, as you can tell, but it was wide, so it had a tight fit. So of course it has toning on the back, smooth back, but you can see to get these to fit, you couldn't just melt the straight piece on the back. You had to come all the way and remove the full angle just because of the width of this bar, but I was able to get it in there. So now it has a proud, safe, and happy home. This one was actually in what I think was the factory pack, but you can see where that toning was there. It was tore. The bag was ripped open. So I just went ahead and took it out, put it in here. All right. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you're having a good one, and I hope if you're doing this challenge, you're enjoying it as much as I am. So once we get it all done, I got one more. Will be my 5th video. So it'll be number 5 of 5 series. This one being number 4. And then I'll do a final video and go through all 25 of them just to summarize for you guys and show you what we got. All right, so you guys let me know what you think. Have a good one. Don't be slacking. Keep on stacking. Peace out.